how to turn on and pair your Shots X5 Pro wireless headphones. Turning Shots X5 Pro on. Just open the charging case and remove both earbuds. Your Shots X5 Pro are now powered on. Turning Shots X5 Pro off. Place both earbuds inside the charging case. Your Shots X5 Pro are now powered off. Pairing your Shots X5 Pro. Step 1. Remove both earbuds from the charging case. Your Shots X5 Pro are now turned on and ready to pair. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or laptop and open the Bluetooth menu. Step 3. Select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Shots X5 Pro. Select Pair. Your Shots X5 Pro are now paired with your device and ready to use. Your Shots X5 Pro will connect to the last paired device as soon as you turn them on again.